Hello friends, welcome to Pricepedia. This week, the stock which I want to discuss with you all, the name of the stock is Cochin Shipyard. This company is into making of aircraft carriers for Indian Navy, and the first aircraft carrier which was built in India, the name of the aircraft carrier is INS Vikrant. You must have heard about it, quite a famous name these days. So this company is primarily into defense, and it has been catering to the needs of Indian Navy and the defense sector as well. So let's try to evaluate this company in terms of multi-time frame analysis. We will be studying the monthly, daily, and the weekly charts of this company, and we'll try to understand whether the price currently is in a zone where we can think of buying it or not, right? So fundamentally, the company is good. I have gone through the fundamentals of it. I don't want to make the video unnecessarily very long. So you can be assured that the fundamentals are good, and this time the quarterly results were also good. They are consistent. It's the company is doing quite well. So let's start with the technical analysis of the stock. So guys, if you can see, I have opened the chart. The chart is a monthly chart. Its M is highlighted up there, and every candle in this chart, it represents a monthly price movement. If you see, the stock got listed at around 233 rupees. Let me just highlight this. The stock got listed at uh, around 198 rupees. Sorry, the stock got listed at around 177 rupees, and then the price touched a high of around 260 rupees, and then the price was in a range for a very, very long time. So the stock was listed somewhere in August 2017, and till July 2022, the stock was not doing anything, right? So you can say almost for 5 years, the stock was consolidating in a range. So this period is a 5-year period from here, August 17 till August 2022. So 5-year period, the stock was not doing anything, but it was consolidating. If you can see, the candles were very, very, very small, which indicated that there was accumulation going on here. And how do I say that there was accumulation going on in the stock? Because finally the stock broke on the upside, right? So now I can say that, but saying the same thing at that time was a little difficult, right? If I just add the volume to this as well, that will make it even better. So during this period, the volume was absolutely minimal. You can see here, there was absolutely no volume here. And then the volume started picking up here. Here the volume picked up. The price broke this resistance of 260 rupees. When it broke and then again it retested this resistance here, again we saw a contraction here. The candles, if you see, the candles are very, very small here. But what do you see at the bottom? At the bottom, you see the rising volumes. The volumes are increasing. With each monthly candle, the price movement is good and the volumes are increasing. And then what do you see? There's a retest. When this retest is happening on a decreasing volumes here. You can see that the volumes are decreasing. So whenever the retest happens on decreasing volumes, it indicates that it's just a retest. It's not a panic selling as such. So a retest happened on low volumes, then the price again consolidated for a while, almost for 3-4 months here. And look at this magnificent breakout that it gave. And that breakout took the stock all the way up to 905 rupees. So if I evaluate what is the percentage return after the breakout and the retest, it's almost 311%. The stock has already gone up by 311%, and this is a multi-bagger stock for sure. So this was the monthly analysis of the stock. Now let's go to the weekly analysis. Weekly analysis more or less tells us the same story. We see that the volume is minimal here, this five-year consolidation period, and then a breakout here. And when that breakout happened, it happened on increasing volume, and the this retest happened on the less volume, and then the final breakout on the upside, which is at an all-time high volumes here, if you can see here. Now this is the weekly chart. Weekly chart is actually giving us the same outlook which the monthly chart was giving. So to look more into the granular details of this stock, let's move on to the daily chart. So daily chart will tell us exactly what is happening here. Let me just clear it off. So this was the breakout which I am talking about. So this breakout happened here. Price went up. It touched a high of around 638 rupees. So this high was touched here, and after that the price went into the consolidation. It formed a ascending triangle pattern here, and then again the price consolidated here for a while. It was almost for 2-3 weeks the price consolidated above this resistance of 638 levels, and then finally it gave a breakout. Now this is one ascending triangle which is here, and this is the other ascending triangle which is here. Now the price has actually broken this ascending triangle as well. This price structure is known as cascaded ascending triangle structure, because we have two ascending triangles patterns formed one after the another, and we see that the price is consolidating above this resistance. If I have to mark this resistance, I would say this was the resistance of around 900 levels, right? Around 900 level this resistance was there, and the price is consolidating above this 900 levels. So looks like this stock is very good, at a very good levels. It's quite ready to shoot off from here. So this is not a trading recommendation which I am giving you, which you can just take it and buy it and hold it for 1 month or so and then expect that it will do miracles. If you really want to make wealth in a company, you have to identify the company, and then you should have the patience to sit into that company. So this is the stock which is breaking out of the out of this support, so we can keep a stop loss of around 550 rupees somewhere here. And if you are a rather conservative trader, then a stop loss of 740 rupees. But what I would ideally do, I will not keep a stop loss on this company at all, because I am going to enter into this company. It is an investment pick from my side. I am expecting that this company will do even better in the coming days. But my view is for at least 3 to 4 years. I am expecting in 3 to 4 years the stock can do very well. It can do miracles in the coming days. It has been already a multi-bagger stock, but it doesn't mean that there is no upside potential left in the stock. Look into the if we look into the what you call the fundamentals of the company, we can see that there is a consistent growth in the company, which indicates that the price of the stock can still go higher, and it is at a very good levels currently. So guys, this was the daily chart analysis of Cochin Shipyard. I hope you enjoyed it. Just wanted to remind you guys that I have a weekly video series wherein I give one video on every week, wherein I publish one video every week. In that video, what I do is like I cover some of the best stocks with the best results in that video. Other than that, I also try to give the my details. I mean, what all stocks I am buying, what all stocks I am holding, and all about as far as my portfolio is concerned. That is also given in that. That weekly video is available at around 1500 rupees for 3 months, which would be around 500 rupee per month. Other than that, a workshop I am going to start. In that workshop, it will be a Techno Funda workshop. In that workshop, we will be studying the Techno Funda. It will be a 60-hour course, and based on that course, we'll drill it down finally to 3 setups, and we will take buy or sell decision on the base of these 3 setups. So the aim is to make you guys capable of taking decisions very fast, right? As far as I'm concerned, it takes me around 15 to 20 seconds to decide whether I have to enter into a stock or not. So with this workshop, I'll try to minimize your research time. And other than that, all the participants would be added into a group. So all the participants would be searching for the same setup all the time, same 3 setups all the time. And that will decrease the research time for all the participants, right? Because when everyone will be looking for the same setup, it will be helpful for every other person in the group, which will be a Telegram channel. So guys, this is it from my desk. I hope you enjoyed the analysis of Cochin Shipyard. Please do comment and like on this video, and also do subscribe and press the bell icon so that it will encourage me to give you quality videos in future as well. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great week ahead. Goodbye and good luck.